Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name's Ashley. If you're returning, welcome back. We are currently in Niagara Falls. I am so excited just to get out of London. That was our goal, the three of us, just to get out one night away. So Seb booked a hotel, the Oaks Hotel here in Niagara Falls. He's just checking in. Gemma just woke up from a nap. We are actually going to do the Behind the Falls attraction at 2 o'clock. We booked it, so we have about an hour, but it says arrive earlier anyways, just to like check in, get your ponchos and stuff. Also, we brought a carrier for Gemma to go into because it said no strollers, so, and she can walk, but I just feel like it's going to be a lot of walking, so we have the carrier for her that Seb can put on like as a backpack that we used in Algonquin if you saw those vlogs. But yeah, it's just nice to get out of London. It is so nice to get out of the house, something to do. Seb's parents are watching Wilson, so he's being taken care of. His parents also have a little chihuahua, so he'll be happy to hang out with her for the night and the day. But yeah, come hang out with us in Niagara. I'm so excited. But Gemma's getting a little fussy, so I'm just gonna maybe give her a snack, and that way she's good to go for a little tour. Gemma only slept for about half an hour on the way here. It was a 2-hour drive for us, but I don't know, she just wasn't tired. She slept until 9, so she's definitely going to need another nap later. And don't worry, she had socks on, but she ripped them off, and I put them back on, and then she ripped them off again. But her feet are nice and warm. I gave her like a little yogurt drink. She loved these. Are you gonna drink it? What's the view? Oh, that's cool. Wow. You get both falls.
That's pretty sweet.
That's a nice view, eh?
Wow. Huh? You're a brave girl.
Yeah, she doesn't even care, eh?
You're brave.
We are dressed nice and warm. Gemma looks like a little marshmallow, they call her at childcare, and I'm dressed warm. Now we just have to get Gemma on the backpack. Seb just paid for parking. Do we have to go park there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I figure out a lot of shit, but these things get me.
Okay, let's see if that works. So, I need a ball of fur.
You want to see the view?
She's looking.
Crazy, huh?
They're good at decorating. These are cute. Ooh, is it blue?
Want to get a photo? That's nuts.
That's cool.
Kiss it.
That's sketchy.
Surviving?
Yeah.
You should believe it.
You can't see.
That's pretty crazy.
We got like little Danish things. What's yours?
Pecan maple Danish.
Pecan maple. I got the feta
Something like
spinach. It's not a. Is it a Danish?
It's a biscoff or something. I don't know how to say it.
Oh. But yeah, just a little snack and a coffee on the way out from behind the falls. Would you? It was really bad, wasn't it?
I don't know if it's worth $50.
It was $25 a person. Gemma was free.
Yeah.
The first area, the first lookout was really good, but the second one was just like a little tunnel, and you went like group.
Yeah.
It was nice that you did that, but all you saw was like just water falling. I think the view of the first section was the best.
Well, yeah, you
This
can
is-
see more than
This is
just.
Seb's, by the way. That looks good. It's so flat.
I thought, yeah, it is. I thought it was gonna be you're literally under the falls, like following the contour of the falls wall
Yeah,
with a barrier, and you can like walk.
like a little path.
But that's not the case.
No,
You're literally like looking at a tunnel opening, and all you see is water falling.
Well, yeah, I videoed it, so like they.
Oh, okay.
But like I don't know, it wasn't that good. Like you get a better view of the falls at the hotel room, or like down at the pathway there. Where all
Well,
those
this
people are.
is perfect.
Yeah, this is great.
This is all you need.
I know.
You're warm. You get to see what those guys down
No,
there are seeing.
You can people watch. But
Right.
look at our view. That's so nice.
Look how cold those people are down there. Zoom in on them.
No, I'm not zooming in on people. There is bird poop on our window though, so that's always nice. Okay, let's taste test our pastries. Oh, Gemma's sleeping, by the way, if you hear like an airplane noise in the background
Yeah, my back is blown out too.
from carrying her. Okay.
See the rainbow?
I should warm. Is there a microwave?
Right in front. See it?
Oh,
See the
yeah.
rainbow?
Yeah, a little bit. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Not really.
Probably not.
No. Wait, you just took a bite of yours. Was it good?
I don't know. I'm still chewing.
There's no microwave, eh? Or is it like tucked away somewhere? I have to warm up Gemma's milk in the morning, but.
How can you taste that so quick?
That's actually so good. Just like the hit of feta and spinach, it was so good.
You know what's funny? I always see people like, they like taste test something, and they like, their tongue touches it, and they're like, oh, it's so good. Like, no. Chew it, check out all the flavors, and then let me know.
No, this is good. Really good. All the lights are starting to turn on and it looks really pretty. This is like a park over here with a bunch of lights. This Ferris wheel that you see glowing, that's actually where Seb asked me to be his girlfriend. So we were here, it would have been like over 6 years now, and we were just doing a bunch of attractions, and we saved the Ferris wheel for the very last like thing to do. And as we were going up, the fireworks started, because fireworks at 8 p.m. every night, and we were in the Ferris wheel, and that's when he asked me to be his girlfriend over 6 years ago. It was October 22nd. So it's just funny like seeing it, and like this is where it all started, and now we're here with a baby, so it's really cute. I'm just waiting for Seb to shower, and then I'm gonna wake Jenna up. She's still sleeping. This is what I'm going to wear. It's Old Navy jeans and then this sweater that I got from Shein. It has like a little peekaboo moment. Housekeeping just dropped off like a travel bassinet crib thing, because this one is broken and it's also like dirty somewhere. Like the pad wasn't wiped down properly, so we asked for a new one. So I'm gonna see if this one will work, because this one's like broken. The leg on the bottom of this is also broken, but at least it's up. It's functional. We're gonna go with this one. The lights are on. Nice. Is it supposed to be red and green? It just looks red and white. Oh, it changes.
What, the trees?
No, the lights. I didn't even notice. So pretty. Look at her discovering her tongue. We are at Frontier Barbecue Smokehouse, just across the street from the hotel. It's like a buffet style, so I got a little bit of everything. Got some brisket, potatoes, pasta, sausages, carrots, buns, corn, everything. And then, oh my gosh, where'd your mac and cheese go? Gemma ate all her mac and cheese, basically, and her french fries.
We're gonna take a photo of this tower and the lights behind it in front of it.
Okay. Look at all the lights.
Harry, I may take $100 to go to the casino tonight.
Do you want to take the elevator up?
ഇത് 2-3 വർഷമായല്ലേ
If I look tired, it's because I am extremely tired. Jenna decided to go to bed at 10 p.m., which I'm like, oh, okay, cool. She'll sleep in till, 9:30. That's awesome. Then 7 I can sleep in. No, that wasn't the case. She was up. Well, she wasn't up. She kept coughing. She has a really bad cough. So every time she coughed, I would wake up because it's just like a really loud cough. It was right beside me. I'm a light sleeper. So every time she coughed, I'd wake up, which was like literally every half an hour. And then at one point she woke up and she was upset. So I brought her into bed with us, like to co-sleep, because I was like, I just need sleep. So I brought her into bed and it was like, yeah, that didn't help at all. She just kept tossing and turning. I'd wake up. She kept coughing. I'd wake up. And then this morning, she decided to wake up at like 7 a.m. So, Seb and I both, I just heard something. Hi. Seb and I both got like no sleep at all.
Hour and a half.
Yeah. We're both very tired. So this is our second coffees from downstairs. Gemma just fell asleep again. I think it's like 9:30ish. She definitely needed another nap. Not another nap. She needed a nap. So she's gonna need another one maybe like on the way home. But checkout is at 11. So I'm hoping she sleeps for at least like an hour and a half. Like all the way up to like 11 o'clock. I don't care. I'll change her in the truck. And they don't like kick you. Like as long as you check out at the desk, you can probably leave the hotel room like at 11:30. Like there's no way they're gonna come by and check. But yeah, she just needs to sleep as long as possible this morning because she was fussy, she was cranky, she's sick, she needs it. And that way we can actually like explore later on this morning. It's almost checkout time, but I've been just sitting here and enjoying this beautiful view before we have to leave. Gemma's still sleeping, literally waiting till the last minute to wake her up. I think Seb's gonna go start packing the truck up and we're just gonna get some breakfast right beside the hotel. Applebee's, I think it's called. But yeah, I've been just drinking my coffee and enjoying this gorgeous view. It's so nice out today. It's like supposed to be, I think, like 10 degrees today. Everyone's going, it's getting really busy. but it's so beautiful. I could just sit here all day. She's smiling at them.
Here, I gotta clean this. Are you excited? She has no idea where she's going. Wait until you see all the parrots. Alright?
She doesn't see it. Like a bearded dragon.
You see him?
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
She loves it. She's almost like scared of it, like it's gonna get her.
Yeah. That's cool.
Pepper
Pepper and Toby.
and Toby.
That one's pretty. Look at that. Oh. Crazy, huh? You got it? You made it.
Are you gonna turn around?
You made it. Ready to go back?
What is she doing?
Come on, let's go.
There she goes.
Go, 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 go.
Good job.
Look at your sneakers, huh? Whoa. Oh, there's a big one over there. That's why they're screaming.
She's like, I don't want to hold your hand.